Welcome back, junior engineer. This is experiment number 2. And for this experiment, you're going to need your Earth model, which is now painted, and a measuring tape. Do you know how far Earth really is from the sun? Let's find out. In our model, Earth is a ½ inch across. If that were true in real life, the sun wouldn't sit right here. It would be 6,000 inches away. Let's take a look at our measuring tape. Does it go to 6,000 inches? No way. Mine only goes to 60 inches. So take out your measuring tape and find 60 inches. Make sure to look at the inch side and not the centimeter side. Let's see if we can still use this measuring tape to see how far away the Earth really is from the sun. First, put your Earth model down on the ground or at the end of the room that you're in. Now, measure 60 inches away from that spot. That's step 1. Now remember where that was and measure another 60 inches from there. That's step 2. Keep doing this, and in order to get to 6,000 inches, you have to do this 100 times. Are you ready for the challenge? Remember, if you're indoors, you probably won't be able to go that far. But I am in a huge park, so I just might be able to make it. Pause here if you'd like to measure on your own. I'm going to speed walk mine in time-lapse mode. Whew, I made it. And as you could tell, I was using these markers every 300 inches or 5 measurement steps to keep my space so I wouldn't get lost. How far did you get? Write it in the comments below because I would love to know what you did. And remember, if the Earth was this big, just a ½ inch across, and the sun was 55 inches across, then they would be 6,000 inches apart. That's more than a football field. Now you know how huge space really is. All right, that was a lot of fun. Now you can roll up your tape, and I will see you at experiment number 3.